causing a new thing to take place. Why? Because I'm charitable. Why am I making such a gift available to you? It's because I'm generous. It's because I'm free from meanness. I bring you this wisdom because my character is elementary. Why do I teach you like that? It's because I'm munificent. I'm able to share this wisdom with you, but you cannot benefit from it unless you receive me. You have to receive my name. If you don't receive my name, you can't benefit from what I teach. You just cannot benefit from what I teach unless you receive my name. My name is superior to all names. My name is Yahweh. Now you can't argue with that unless you start to study my name. You have to study my name. And all goodness is in my name. Why is this name hidden from you? It's because this name, Yahweh, has the power to resurrect you and make you all powerful. This name, Yahweh, has the power to make you the son of Yahweh.